Okay, boys and girls, today for reading, we're simply just going to learn how to explore Raz Kids a little bit. Now, I'm recording this video for Mr. Sobrasky's class, Miss Anderson's class, and Miss Mullen-Vanonen's class. So your class might have done some of the things that I'm going to teach you today. And if it's something that you've done before, great. If not, listen carefully. And if this is something that you've used before, listen carefully because you might learn something new. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take that card that your teacher gave you before you left on how to log into Raz Kids. So the easiest way that I get here is just by Googling Raz Kids and clicking on the link. Once you get there, there might be a page that brings you right to here, or it might say student login. So click on the student login. Once you get to this page, you're going to enter what your card says. If you're in Mr. Sobrasky's class, so you're going to type J Sobrasky 0. If you're in Miss Mullen-Vanonen's class, you're going to type in MV118. If you're in Miss Anderson's class, you're going to type in M Anderson 275. So we'll just pretend we're in my class, and we'll go to J Sobrasky 0. And then you'll click go. Then you'll find your name wherever you are in here. I'm going to click on example student. And whatever your password says on that card that you were given, that's going to be your password to log in. So this student's password is just the money. So we're going to log in. Now, today, all I want you to do is look over here where it says level up. Okay, so the level up is a way for you to kind of pick a book for you that's perfectly. So you know how your teacher would call you to the back table and read your guided reading level book? Well, since we can't meet anymore for guided reading, this is what we're going to do instead. So each of your teachers has assigned your guided reading level wherever you're at. Maybe you're at L, maybe you're higher, maybe you're lower. Wherever you're at, that's okay. So you're going to click on this right here. And that's going to bring you to a library of books that you should be able to read, okay? And today I want you to just pick one book. So if there's a green check mark, that means you've already read that book before. Pick whatever book that interests you, and then you're going to do three things. You're going to listen to it. That's the first one, and I recommend doing that one first. Then you're going to read it, and then lastly, you're going to answer the questions, okay? When you're all done with that, you're going to go back into Seesaw, and I want you to respond and add a response to the assignment and tell me which book you read, or if it didn't work, tell me, oh, this didn't work, this is what happened, and so I can help you figure it out. Okay? So hopefully you guys can get logged in, and that's all I want you to do today. I'll start teaching you how to do some assignments or how to look at some books that aren't in your levels in different days and how to do some recordings. But today, all I want you to do is just go into your level up books and see that you can log in and find a book. Some of you might have figured out how to use the stars afterwards up here. Feel free to click around there and change your avatar as well. So thanks, and don't forget to respond to the assignment.